Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to explore something truly special and important in our lives: friendship. Friendship is the bond of mutual affection between people. Friends are people we like and trust, people we share our lives with. Have you ever felt happy spending time with your friends? Or maybe you felt supported by a friend during a difficult time. We will discover why friends are so important and how they enrich our lives in many ways. Are you ready to understand the true value of friendship? Let's begin our exploration together. Imagine two young children, a boy named Alex and a girl named Maya. They lived next door to each other but didn't know each other very well at first. Alex was a bit shy and usually played alone in his garden. Maya was more outgoing and loved to explore. One sunny afternoon, Maya's ball bounced over the fence into Alex's garden. This small event was the beginning of a beautiful friendship. Maya politely asked Alex if he could throw her ball back. Alex, a little nervous, did so. Maya smiled and thanked him. Then, she asked if he wanted to play. At first, Alex hesitated, but Maya's friendly face made him say yes. They started playing catch, and soon they were laughing and having fun. This was the start of their connection. Connection means a relationship in which two or more things are linked together. As they spent more time together, Alex and Maya discovered they had many things in common. Common means shared by two or more people or things. They both loved drawing, reading adventure stories, and playing games in the park. Sharing these interests helped their friendship grow stronger. Through their friendship, Alex started to become less shy. Maya's outgoing nature helped him feel more comfortable talking to others. Outgoing means friendly and energetic and finding it easy and enjoyable to be with others. Alex, in turn, showed Maya the quiet joy of reading and drawing. They learned from each other and supported each other's interests. Support means to give assistance, encouragement, or approval to someone or something. Friendship is also about being there for each other during difficult times. Difficult means needing much effort or skill to accomplish, deal with, or understand. One day, Maya was feeling very sad because she didn't do well on a school test. Alex listened to her, offered words of encouragement, and reminded her of all the things she was good at. Encouragement means the action of giving someone support, confidence, or hope. His support helped Maya feel better and motivated her to try harder next time. Similarly, when Alex felt nervous about giving a presentation in class, Maya helped him practice and told him she knew he could do it. Her belief in him gave him confidence. Belief means an acceptance that a statement is true or that something exists. True friends trust each other and have faith in each other's abilities. Trust means a firm belief in the reliability, truth, or ability of someone or something. Friends also share happy times and create wonderful memories. Memory means the faculty by which the mind stores and remembers information. Alex and Maya often went on adventures in the woods near their homes, built amazing sandcastles at the beach, and celebrated each other's birthdays. These shared experiences became precious memories they would always cherish. Cherish means to protect and care for someone or something lovingly. Sometimes, friends might have arguments or disagreements. Argument means a discussion in which reasons are put forward in opposition, a dispute. Alex and Maya sometimes disagreed about which game to play or whose drawing was better. However, because their friendship was strong, they always found a way to forgive each other and move past their disagreements. Forgive means to stop feeling angry or resentful towards someone for an offense, flaw, or mistake. Good friends learn to communicate and understand each other's perspectives. Friendship can also help us feel less lonely. Lonely means feeling sad because one has no friends or company. When we have friends, we know there are people who care about us and who we can spend time with. Friends provide a sense of belonging. Belonging means the feeling of being accepted and part of a group or community. This feeling is very important for our happiness and well-being. As Alex and Maya grew older, their lives became busier. They went to different schools and had new interests. However, their friendship remained strong. They made an effort to stay in touch, calling each other, sending messages, and meeting up whenever they could. Effort means a determined attempt, hard work. True friendship can last even when people's lives change. Friendship teaches us important social skills. Social skills are the abilities needed to interact and communicate with others effectively. Through their friendship, Alex and Maya learned how to share, how to listen, how to be empathetic to each other's feelings, and how to resolve conflicts. Empathetic means able to understand and share the feelings of another. These skills are important in all aspects of life. Friends can also inspire us to be better people. Inspire means to fill someone with the urge or ability to do or feel something, especially something creative. Maya's enthusiasm for trying new things encouraged Alex to step out of his comfort zone. Alex's thoughtfulness reminded Maya to consider other people's feelings. Good friends help us grow and develop in positive ways. The importance of friendship cannot be overstated. Importance means the state or fact of being of great significance or value. Friends provide companionship, support, joy, and help us navigate the challenges of life. Companionship means the feeling of friendly association with others and of not being alone. They make our lives richer and more meaningful. Let's review some of the important words we learned about the importance of friendship. Friendship is a bond of affection. Friends have a connection, a link. They have things in common, shared interests. An outgoing friend is friendly. Friends support each other, give help. During difficult times, friends offer encouragement, support, and hope. They have belief and trust in each other. They create memories they cherish, value highly. Sometimes they have arguments, disagreements, but they forgive each other. Friends help us feel less lonely and give us a sense of belonging. We need to make an effort to maintain friendships. Friendship teaches us social skills and helps us be empathetic, understanding others' feelings. Friends can inspire us. The importance of friendship is great. It provides companionship. Think about your own friends. What qualities do you value most in your friendships? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for exploring the importance of friendship with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more lessons on relationships and English language learning. What other aspects of human connection would you like us to discuss? Let us know in the comments. Keep learning, value your friendships, and remember that good friends are a true treasure in life.